Hi, so my name's Cameron. I own Cutting Edge Hot Rods in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is our project. So this is a 1972 C10. We kind of developed the styling after like late 70s Group 5 race cars. So we pulled a lot of design cues out of kind of some legendary cars, your 935Ks, your 917s. Kind of, you know, for lack of better, what would a truck class in a Group 5 program look like in that era. So this is my opinion of what that should look like and how it would, and this is how we did it. So it's all steel bedsides, steel fenders. We developed a chassis. It utilizes a C6 Corvette driveline. So it's a transaxle in the rear. The motor's pushed back 12 inches into the firewall. We slid the cab back, moved the front tires forward, played with the bedsides and kind of their dimensions and how they fit. We shortened the short bed 3 inches and moved the wheel wells forward and tried to get our proportions to something that looks proper. When it came time for putting coilovers on it, we talked with KW and Belltech and all these people, and they engineered us a nice program with some V4 coilovers and their HLS2 nose lift system. We worked with Radium Engineering on our fuel system, Willwood brakes for braking. It's got a set of Fixie 19x12 801s. Vibrant Performance provided us all this stainless tubing, so we have equal length headers, all 8 tubes. It goes into a pair of resonators and out the back, up the middle. And yeah, we just have, you know, kind of some custom stuff all around. It's hard to kind of narrow down every little bit of it, but we're fully caged. We intend on autocrossing the truck, doing some track days, and just getting out and using it and having fun with it, and you know, kind of share my vision with everybody, if you will. Inside, we have a typical Holley kind of operating system for the Terminator X computer. It's their Holley, their Pro Dash. We talked to our friends over at CarTech, and we got some steering wheel controls that manages the whole truck. Dashboard is custom, you know, Sparko seats. We just kind of went crazy. Go ahead and open the hood here. Talk about that.
And also, if it's all stock, it's got
So we developed this system because the motor's back so far. It allowed us to really play with where we put our radiator and how we control airflow coming through the motor. So in order to kind of prevent some hot air from packing into the firewall, because we have such a far setback, we developed this core support out of aluminum, moved our radiator around, and then ducted it all through the hood. All in a sense of trying to get rid of some heat and get this thing to work a little bit better. Motor's a LS3, it's dry sumped, heads and cam, pretty simple program, makes 550 horsepower. We run a 325 all around, it's got a square setup. And yeah, our engine cage comes through here, we tie into our chassis. We utilize C6 control arms and knuckles, all 4 quarters.